See, beautiful. We're here. So, dyan tayo magwo-walk. Dyan. So, dito tayo magwo-walking. This is, what is this called? Martin Lions Club and Forest and Bird Society.
Tui.
There's a tui bird, guys.
That's a native New Zealand bird.
I don't think you can see it.
Right there.
Oh, there. See, that's tui bird. Yay! Dito tayo mag-walking. Hi.
Hello.
So this is a forest and bird. Okay, go on, Baba, on the bridge. Hop in. Do you feel cold?
Yeah.
Hi, Dad.
Do you want a jersey? There's people here.
Oh, sorry. Hi. Hi, cuties. Nice day. Are they twins?
They are, yeah.
Oh, hi.
Have a good day.
We're doing hot.
Go on. Uh-oh. Mommy's wearing my SpongeBob shoes and it's a bit muddy.
Yeah, that's right.
So, maraming bird ngayon, guys. I don't think you can hear it, but hopefully you can really hear it, guys. Yeah, beautiful. So this water is going to Webab.
That's called the Tutanui Stream. It's the stream that runs through our town. It goes to the Rangitikei River.
Oh, okay.
Joins up to the Rangitikei. So this is a tributary to the Rangitikei River. That's what it's called.
Oh, narinig niyo yun, guys.
It's the fun way.
Sobrang lamig dyan. Ay, Bob, for sure that water there is really freezing cold.
Mm.
Let's come this way. This way.
What way, madam? Okay. Hi, Dad.
Hi. I've already finished what I spot. My mouth's cold now.
Maganda dito, guys, for relaxing. Do you feel relaxed, Bob?
Yeah.
A bit? So, maganda dito, guys, oh. Yan. Kita nyo yan? Sobrang lamig yan ba? Maraming huni ng ibon. Busy si Madam eating ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream lady? Kahit ano, kahit malamig, gusto mag-ice cream. Even it's cold. You want mommy one?
No, you've got yours.
You
So
got
wanna
yours.
Swap, you want to swap mummy? That's going to melt soon.
Tingnan nyo, beautiful, yung ano, yung nasa tubig na pula. Hindi naman siya lumot. I'm not sure, Baba, what's that? But it looks so cool, eh?
What is that? I don't know.
Tabi-tabi po. Ang lalaki ng ano mga kahoy dito, guys, eh. So, dito, straight tayo dyan. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Pero, ang ganda dito, guys. Maraming huni ng ibon. Yun, naka-jacket na yung dalawa. Nilalamig na yan. You feel cold? You too.
A little bit from our ice cream. See how they're planting all native trees and stuff?
Yeah, lots of native trees,
Yeah,
Bob.
this is all natives, I think.
Hmm.
Well, most of them.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a birch. That's not native. That's not native.
Yeah, alam niyo yan, guys.
Or something. That there?
What?
That's a totara tree.
What? That one, guys. Yan. Ay,
One
tika.
here, that's a New Zealand native.
Yeah, yan daw, guys. What is that called? What's the name of the tree?
Totara.
Totara. Huh?
Or how you pronounce it, totara.
Tutara.
Totara. Totara. And I think this is a rimu tree, maybe.
What tree?
I think it might be rimu,
Remo.
I think. Don't quote me on that. That's another totara. See the shape of the leaves? How they're all they're like spiky. You can tell by the shape of the leaves.
Ay, lamig na. Ah.
What's that?
So that tree, guys, is that good for guitar thing? Making guitar?
It's a hardwood, so you can use it for furniture, like instruments. They used to use it for fences on farms because it doesn't rot.
Oh.
It doesn't need any chemicals. It's rot resistant naturally.
Oh, so that means it's really good.
Real good tree, but you're not allowed to mill them anymore.
Mm.
You're not allowed to cut them down anymore, so it's only what's around, like from old houses and stuff, you can use.
Mm.
You can't actually, unless you grow this on a farm,
It's okay.
it's okay, but you can't just come and cut this tree down
Yeah.
because it's protected.
Yeah, lots of native trees here
Yeah,
around.
mainly totara, and I think those are rimu. Those ones with those funny leaves, like that one back there.
Oh yeah.
They're sort of like a, I don't know, just like the leaves, like just like a triangle almost, like just like a
Mm.
like that, you know.
So dito bawal ang cutting trees, guys. Here, Bobby, is cutting trees are illegal, eh, Bob?
Native trees.
Yeah, for native trees, but
Yeah,
like
yeah.
those trees, cause you know the what Kuya Patrick?
Pine trees.
Yeah.
That's forestry. That's
right.
like farming. Yeah, you're farming the trees.
Ah, okay. And then you have
Once
to.
they cut them down, they plant another one to grow again.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So that.
Sustainable.
Yeah. So pwede kang mag-ano dyan, muni dito, guys. Did you hear that?
Tui.
Yeah, lots of tui birds here around,
Yeah,
eh?
because of the native trees.
Yeah.
They like these. But you know the trees I like the most are the ones at the front of our house, the kowhai tree.
Yeah?
That's New Zealand native, with the one with the yellow flowers.
Yeah, I know.
And they eat the nectar.
Mm.
All the leaves have fallen off that kowhai tree now.
Yeah.
The yellow, it's gone.
That will not be ours soon.
That yellow tree there,
Ah, yeah.
that's kowhai
So-
tree.
Yan yung yellow na yan.
Same as the one we got at
Guys.
the front of our house.
Yes, same yan sa na nasa bahay, sa harap ng bahay namin, guys. Yan, na native tree. Yan, guys. Yung asawa ko magtutour na lang. Siya may alam ng mga kahoy dito. Ano?
Snapdragon.
What is it?
It's called a snapdragon.
Snapdragon. Mm.
This type of flower. It's like a wild daisy. That blue thing.
Mm. I don't remember what kind of tree. The one for honeybees, Bob?
Manuka.
Yeah, Manuka. Cause
Yeah.
before, guys, sumasama kasi ako sa stepfather ko sa pinagtatrabuhan niya na farm na nagtatanim ng Manuka tree para sa mga bees.
Kowhai.
Kaya yun lang alam ko na tree dito. Tsaka yung pine tree.
Tui.
Oh, the tui. I always love that. Yan, guys.
Tui.
Tinatawaran ko yan kasi sa tui kasi parang tutoy. Tutoy. Tinatawaran ko yan, guys. Did we use that in our wedding?
Yeah, at the wedding.
Yeah. Tui. Ang lambot niya, guys. Look. Tui pala Tui yung pangalan niyan, guys. So every time na makakita kami ng ganyan, kasi alam kasi ng asawa ko na sa Cebu ganyan. Sabi ko, sounds like na dibdib ng babae. Maganda dito, guys.
That's a nice shaped kowhai bulb.
Oh, this one. I like this one.
Nice shape, eh?
Yeah, nice shape.
We should just.
Oh, don't be. You're a video man. Someone is going to Bob, build some house there, over there.
That's all the new subdivision. So you know the back way we go from our house into town, in the 80k zone. That's where these houses are off that road.
Ah, is it?
Yeah, that's that road over there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, well, way over there, like probably
Pula
500 meters.
Pula na naman ang mukha ko, guys. Ang init kasi ngayon.
Yeah, this goes
What's that tree again?
Well,
That tree.
one. I don't know what that is.
But looks like cherry blossom.
Might be a cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom. Is that
Yeah,
cherry
it
blossom?
loops around, Redley. It loops back around.
Yeah, look at that tree, Bob. I like the shape as well. Gusto ko kasing magtanim ng cherry blossom sa bahay, guys, kasi walang kahoy-kahoy. Wajay kahoy taon ang gawa sa balay. Pait. Mo nang hinigkuan tugnaw. Hi, Madam Baby. I thought you were finished with your ice cream. You're still not finished, Madam. Look at your messy mouth. Ang init na, guys. Pero bukas papangit na talaga. Uulan na naman. So, yan, guys. So, diretso tayo doon. Tas, dito na lang tayo. Stop over muna tayo dito. Where's Dad? Naglatay-latay na puti mong daddy.
There.
Naglatay-latay.
You can hold this,
Manners place?
please.
Yeah. You gotta be careful.
Hold this one.
Oh, I got only 2 hands, Bob. Sorry. She wants me to hold everything.
Should we come back for the toy? Hey, do you want me to hold you?
Are you tired, Baba? Aw, tired of walking. Bye. Oh, he's waving.
He's waving.
Do you want Dad to hold you?
Be careful.
You're good, Baba.
Ako na kumain ng ice cream ni Madam. Yan, pine tree yan, guys. Ang laki.
Almost there. Whoa, slowly. Daddy can't keep up. Show Mummy. Look, Bob.
Wow.
Look at her. Good balance.
Yay! You think there's a fish in here?
Probably not at the moment because of the time of year, but
So clean, eh? I mean,
yeah,
clear.
it's pretty clear.
Mm.
So this comes from the dam. You know
Ah,
where we went? Yeah.
okay. Pumunta kasi kami last time, guys, sa sa dam dito sa Marton. Hindi naman kalakihan pero malalim din. We'll show you pakita namin sa inyo yung dam. Look at that.
I got to swim in there.
Pero pag lagi umuulan, guys, yan, magiging chocolate color na yan.
Mom,
I mean, parang milk tea. Or capo tea.
are sure that we can go in there?
No, we can't go in there, Bob, at the moment. We can't go to Rangitiki River.
Yeah.
Is that dead end now?
That goes to the school.
Ah, okay.
I thought it looped around, but yeah, come have a look because this is the high school here, Martin Primary School.
Is that?
Not high.
So, ito na yung dead end, guys. Sa So, yan.
Primary school, Martin Primary.
Yeah, Martin Primary School. Sunday ngayon. So, school holidays kasi since last week, right?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah. Dead end na tayo, guys. So, babalik na tayo sa pinanggalingan natin. Alright, guys. We'll see you in the car.
See you in the car.
Nakakita sila ng guys. Bridge.
Oh, this one.
Manners, please.
Please.
Thank you.
Hold this one.
Hang on tight, Bob. Be careful, Bob. Okay, shall we back now? Go back?
Yeah, we can walk along the street or go back that way.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh. See you in the car daw, pero lakad ulit. Ikot daw kami.
See that there?
Ikot-ikot ng ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Ikot. Oh, I found some mushroom. But that's yucky one. Ooh, look at the mushrooms.
Bike coming. You
Hi.
How's it? There's an actual bridge called the Bridge to Nowhere. It's up the Wanganui River.
Oh, the bridge to nowhere. Ah, look at that, Bob. Cherry blossom.
There you go.
There you
I
go.
don't know if that's cherry, but
That,
it's a blossom.
yeah, it's a blossom. Di ko lang. Di Basta, blossom yan. So, ikot na lang daw kami, guys. Doon, di ko alam saan kami ikot-ikot. Ang asawa ko lang may alam. Dito. So, ito yung primary school dito sa Marton, guys. May playgrounds. Blossom din to, guys. Pero di ko alam kung cherry blossom ba? Ano ba kulay ng cherry blossom? Di ba pink? Oh, I saw a Volkswagen, Bob, coming. Look, look, look. A Volkswagen, boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Alright, guys. See you na talaga sa sa sasakyan. Yan yung clouds, guys. Ang ganda, no? Ganda ng clouds. Ang init-init. Dito sa New Zealand, guys, sobrang init pag summer talaga. Masakit sa sa balat. Kaya marami ditong nagkaka-skin cancer. Kasi mainit nga dito, guys, pag summer. Kaya dito sa New Zealand, talaga, importante dito talaga ay ang, pa tawag nun? Sunscreen. Sunscreen, yun. Kaya parang yung skin ko sa guys, dyan sa Pilipinas, Ang ganda ng skin ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero pagdating ko dito, parang nag-change lahat. Parang nagda-dry. Ang dry ng skin ko dito, guys. Lalo na nung nabuntis ako. Then after ko manganak, ay sus. Pangit talaga. Hormones, guys. Wala tayong magagawa pag hormones na. Ay, diba girls? Diba mga misis? Makaka-relate kayo. Ang hangin na. So, punta na talaga kami sa sasakyan ngayon. Pabalik na, guys. Hey, beautiful. We're in the car now from walking. Ang dalawa andun sa park. Napagod si Madam Baby. Nag-take kami ng picture kanina on the way back. Pagod na siya. Ay, yung dalawa, gusto pa ni Madam Baby na mag-slide, guys. So, chika na lang muna tayo, no? Comment down below, guys, ano pa dapat gawin. Comment nyo na lang kung ano sa tingin nyo yung mga videos ko. Ang init. Dito na lang ako sa sasakyan maghihintay sa dalawa, guys. Kasi parang pupunta pa kami ng supermarket para mag-grocery. Okay, guys. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching our video. Sana mag-subscribe kayo sa baguhan na to. We'll see you in our next video, guys. Bye. Take care.